So the people ask me, if the people ask you, what is exactly the products, right?
Yes.
Okay, this is what you should answer exactly. So what is the product? The product is the same molecules that our cells is producing. And there's a biotech company in America, they researched this for 17 years. They were unsuccessful because they couldn't stabilize these molecules outside of the human body. And they went bankruptcy because they didn't have enough money. So to pay the scientists and pay the research, they ran out of money. So somebody saw a big opportunity with this product, and somebody helped this biotech company and stabilize the same molecules that our body is making it. So this is a product which is native to the body. Is exactly the same molecules what in the body we have it inside in our liquid, in our cells. The human body is 70% water. And then our cells is in a salt and water bag. And inside of the cells, in the center of the cells, it's called mitochondrium, which is producing energy. And the byproduct of this energy production of these molecules. So the products is the same molecules that our body producing, but now they put it in the bottle so we can drink it or we can put it on the skin. But this is native to the body, is exactly the same material, exactly the same molecules that our body makes. But because of aging, people find out that we are 30 years old or older, we start producing less and less and less of these molecules. So the immune system becomes weaker and weaker and weaker, and the healing mechanism is slowing down. So when we refill back to the body self-healing mechanism becomes very, very strong again, and it's working again very properly. So because of this, scientists and medical doctors and medical professionals, they find out that anybody has any kind of health challenge, but anything, these products can help to boost the self-healing mechanism and the immune system of the body. And we see many, many miracles. Miracles means when doctors see, they don't know how to fix these problems, but the body heals itself because we boost the body. We have unbelievable results. I can send you some photos, what happened with people before and after they have a problem before and what happened after. After we finish this phone call, I will send you some photos before and after. I hope it will answer your question. If you're still not satisfied with my answer, I would really encourage you to book a time when nobody's disturbing you for 21 minutes and we can sit down in a quiet room. You can pay fully attention to me so I can show you exactly what is this product, how it works, and what is the opportunity, what we offer to the people, because we have a system breaking sales records all over in Europe, and we have a system we can teach people how we use social media to sell these products for you. So it's not you going to sell the products. We use social media, which is going to sell the products for you. But you need to qualify for the requirements. If you qualify for the requirements, then you can enroll to the coaching program where you will be taught step by step how to be successful in this business and creating a 1,000, 2,000, 5,000, or even $10,000 monthly income. But please remember that the system is selling the products, not you. So if you build a strong system and you build it properly, this income slowly, it become automated. Big percentages is automated, and slowly, it will become an automated ATM machine, which is selling the products for you even when you are sleeping. And the market is open in 34 countries. Indonesia is just opened right now in June in 2024. So it's a brand new opportunity in Indonesia, but you are not limited only in Indonesia because it's an online business. So your opportunity is opened in 34 countries. I hope I answered your question. What is this product? If you want to know more about this, I really encourage you to book an appointment with me, sit down with me so I can show you in 20 minutes exactly all the details. And then I can give you the name of the company, the name of the products, the patents. Nobody can copy, so no copycats, no competition. We have incredible opportunity. Please let me know. This is $1 million question. Please let me know, is it worth 20, 25 minutes of your time to find out the details what I just told you? Please say me yes or no.